Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today and for joining me in Pootles Advent Countdown. We're on number 23. Oh, I can't believe it. That must mean Christmas is coming. How exciting. And today I have got a 3-2-1 box. It's 3 inches tall by 2 inches wide by 1 inch deep. 3, 2, 1. Not quite so good in metric. 7.5 by 5 by 2.5 doesn't kind of ring off, doesn't trip off the tongue quite so well. But this is a little lid opening box. And it's got a couple of special chocolate treats inside, which I will show you shortly. Right. To make it, so this one was done in Orchid Oasis. I'm going to make this one in Starry Sky. It just felt wintry, Christmassy, lovely. And this piece of cardstock, 4 by 9 inches, which is 22.5 by 10 centimetres. So on the long side, score it at 1, 4, 5 and 8 inches, which in metric is 2.5, 10, 12.5 and 20. And then on the short side, simply score it at 1 and 3. Which is 2.5 and 7.5 centimetres. So this is a fold over box, so it's going to fold over to close. You can make a bunch of these in advance and only seal when you need them. Or you can make them like this and just stack them up. So this has got a couple of chocolatey treats in that I picked up a bag of these at the airport in Vienna. I've got Choco Cubes. Now, I don't know how available these are in other countries, but it fits 2. Possibly could fit more, but 2 is enough. It means there's more for me to eat. Okay, so holding it this way around, we've got 6 little squares, 2 in each corner and 2 in the middle. So I'm going to cut straight on the rectangle, wedge into the square, just like that. There we go, and repeat with all 6. So yeah, I don't know how available they are. I don't know how available they are in the UK, but I've made a 3-2-1 box many times over. And you can put all sorts in. I originally designed it in 2013 for a friend of mine who made handmade soaps, and that was the size of her soap. And she wanted me to make a box specifically for them. And that's what I did. And so, yeah, definitely handmade soaps would go in there. Little mini toiletries, lipsticks, lip balms, just sweets and chocolates and things in general. Anything like that. Right. Scooch those onto the floor. So that's it finished when I've done all of my chopping out and wedging and what have you. So I'm going to get some tear and tape or adhesive of choice and put some in each of those 6 little not squares anymore. They were squares, not now. Okay. My neighbour has got his truck up on a ramp right outside my house. I don't know what he's doing, but he seems to be revving the engine. So, sorry if you can hear that. It's not me this time, not my husband, not my son. Okay, so I've put my adhesive and I've taken off the backing and I'm just folding it up and round to make the base. Okay, so we're starting to form it together. This one is going to come in there as well, as is that one. So that's the bottom of my box all made. This is just going to fit around and become the lid. Super duper mega simple. Right, so I've got a little piece of designer series paper that measures 2 3/4 inches by 1 3/4. So that's 7 by 4.5 centimetres, couldn't think then. So it's just going to sit on top. And I kind of wanted to go with the whole starry sky, starry night, Christmassy sort of midnight feel. And the starry sky, oh, and this DSP, is now stuck in the wrong place, that I probably should have put on before building the box. It's just one of our core colour collections. That's where it came from. Right. So wrap that round, and it does open and gape a tiny little bit. So that's why I'm going to put the last little scrap of my ribbon that I've got. So this is, what's it called? Metallic woven ribbon. And we have this in all of our colours that are in colours, all 5 of them. So, but actually this one is the Starry Sky and this one is the Orchid Oasis. I think they might have been put on the spools wrong. Doesn't matter. I'm just still going to make a pretty bow that I've stuck to my fingernail. I can't get hold of it. There we go. And I'm just going to position that up. Let's get a better pair of scissors that isn't going to shred every ribbon I own. There we go. So just position it up near the top. Oh, I didn't put my chocolates inside. Oh, need to... I think he's blown the engine now. Let's try that again with a little chocolate. So yeah, I you know, maybe I'm being a little bit stingy on the 2 chocolates. Let's see if I can fit a 3rd. They come in lots of different colours, which is kind of why I got them. Oh, whoops. Can I fit a 3rd in there? Arguably, yes. I could fit a 3rd in because I'm feeling nice. I don't think I could fit 4. No, I couldn't fit 4, but I could fit 3. Seriously, I don't know what's up with his engine, but it's not very good anymore. I have got the best neighbours. We live on a private road. There's only 4 houses that are new like mine, and the 5th house is the guy who owned the land originally, and he had it as a haulage yard. And my house is built over what used to be a carp pond, so my house is actually built on stilts, underground, all the foundations. And do you know what? I've got the best neighbours ever. I absolutely adore them. The people to this side of me are fabulous. They come and feed my cats and they're just amazing. The people that way are brilliant. We do swapsies of stuff. The lady who's next door but one that way, she wasn't around when we first moved in, and when we did, she was like, oh, I wasn't here to help you. Can I help you with anything? And I was like, yes, I need a window cleaner. Yes, no problem. And she got us the best window cleaner ever. And then the people there are fabulous as well. So it's amusing me, not annoying me. And like I say, we really do. We're very, very fortunate. I know other people not so great with their neighbours. Ours are amazing. Very lucky. Right, what am I looking for? Dimensionals. So I whittled on, didn't explain. So this is Peaceful Deer. So this actually is in the annual catalogue, not the mini, as is the punch. And we've had it a couple of years now. I don't know that it's 2 full years. It might be a year and a bit. But I love it. And that actually says, oh, what fun. It says, oh, what fun on there. Because, you know, chocolates are fun. Right, I want something bright and stand out. And I used the iridescent pearls. I don't know if they're going to show up. We'll have a go. Yeah, they kind of do. So I'm going to take a big one and a couple of little ones. And that, I think, is a lovely little treat. And like I say, I've been making these for a long time, the 321 boxes. So not just for Christmas, not just for chocolates. Good for any time, any year, anything inside. Yummy treats, always a winner. What flavour's that one? Strawberry. Oh, caramel duo, mine. What's this one? Whole hazelnut. And this one, the blue one, is a praline. And I think it's just those 4 flavours. Yum. Going to be enjoying them. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.